Good morning for today's hamster combat, daily cipher and daily combo. But before that, please subscribe, follow, like, and share. Importante po lahat ng yan. Kahit na sabi mo nga, hindi na lang ako magko-comment, mag-subscribe na lang ako ng follow and like. Okay na yan sa akin, di ba? Mas maganda kasi nakapag-follow ka na, nakapag-like ka pa. Di ba? Ibig sabihin yan, heart man yan or like, okay lang yan, di ba? At least makakatulong ka, di ba? Ngayon, for daily cipher is, yan, take the prize 1 million coins. For daily combo is, go to special, and my cards, hanapin si TG leaders. Hanapin natin. Yun. Ito po. Take, go ahead. Yan. Hanapin si my cards, new cards. Hanapin si finals approaching. Ito po. Pinakauna, finals are approaching. Go ahead. Yun. Then, finals again. Ito po ito si new cards. Then, hamster help wheels. Yan, ito po. Yan. Finals. Go. Take the prize, 5 million coins. Yun, no? Go back and go to mini game. For the mini game is, let's go. Yan, landahan lang tayo para walang malito. Okay. You know. Take the prize. The key is the key. Let's go.